So do you also use Notion to store the data of your own leads? Then you are on the right video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your leads to Notion database. So imagine this, that you are receiving 10 leads per day and you are manually adding the data in your Notion database. That's okay. But now imagine this, that you are receiving up to 100 leads a single day and you are adding the details manually. That's a tedious task. So now I'll show you how you can automatically add all your leads to your Notion database, be it 10 or 100 or thousands or 10,000s. You can add all your leads in your Notion database without even lifting a finger. So let's see how to create this automation. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you can open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of details to your Notion database, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select the details using which you're collecting the leads. So I use Just Dial to collect the leads for my own business, so I am going to select the same. You can select any another platform too. We have multiple videos on our YouTube channel connecting Facebook lead ads, Instagram lead ads, Google ads with Notion database. You can refer to that. You just have to choose your application and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy the webhook URL and configure it in your Just Dial account. And for that, you have to reach out to account manager from Just Dial, because Just Dial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface of their application. So you need to send this webhook URL to your point of contact of Just Dial or the backend team of Just Dial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. If you do not have a direct contact with the Just Dial team, what you can do is you can simply mail them and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once they add the webhook URL in your account, you'll start capturing the lead details over here as the webhook response. So I have already added this webhook URL in my own account. So let's just capture the lead details over here, and you're going to see we have successfully received the details of our lead. Now we're going to add these details in our Notion database. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to select it as Notion. So search for Notion over here and then select Notion. After you select the action application, for the action event, select create database item and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Notion. Now what you have to do, you have to make sure that your Notion account is logged in before starting with the automation. If yes, then you can simply select the pages directly right over here, and if no, just first log in your Notion account and then you have the option to give Pabbly the permissions. So if you want, you can select the pages, some particular pages for which you want to give the permissions. Otherwise, you can select all the pages like I have done and click on this allow access. Once you give Pabbly all the access, your database will be connected with Pabbly Connect, which is your Notion will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And once you connect your Notion with Pabbly Connect, you just have to select your database name over here. After you select your database name, you just have to fill in these details. When you're going to fill in these details over here, automatically they will be added in your Notion database. Okay, so first of all, I'll just let you know that you don't have to fill in these details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes remains dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do, we have to put a slash and search for the details which we wish to map and map it like this. So easy, right? So just put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. One by one, you have to map all the details which you want to add in your Notion database. So I am just going to map all the details which I want to enter. Now it is asking me for the content. So what is this content? So first of all, it's not mandatory that you filled in this field. If you want to fill in, you can definitely fill in. Otherwise, leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response. We have successfully added the details in our Notion database. And you're going to see the details are added right over here. Not only this, but now whenever I am going to receive a new lead, automatically the details will be added in my Notion database. Be it a single lead, be it 100 leads at a time, be it thousands or much more. Each lead detail will be added in my Notion database, and it is going to save me a lot of time and also save me from errors. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. My team is going to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Till then, try this coupon code if you like Pabbly Connect. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.